Whenever the United States and Iran come face to face in global politics, the consequences are rarely limited to just these two countries. Their rivalry often affects the entire Middle East, influences international diplomacy, and even shifts the global balance of power. And over the past few months, tensions between these two nations have been steadily rising. Now that confrontation has entered a new phase. Recently, the United States announced a dramatic move that has created a wave of discussion across international politics. The US government has placed a reward of up to $10 million for information related to Mojtaba Khamenei and several other senior Iranian officials. This announcement was made by the US Department of State under its well-known Rewards for Justice program. According to the program, anyone who provides solid and useful information about these individuals could receive a much $10 million, which is roughly 18 crore Indian rupees. Experts believe that this step is part of Washington's broader strategy to increase pressure on Iran's military and security networks. To support this announcement, the Diplomatic Security Service also released an official banner listing the key figures about whom information is being sought. The most prominent name on that list is Mojtaba Khamenei. He is widely considered one of the most influential figures within Iran's powerful structure. Mojtaba Khamenei is the son of Ali Khamenei, the supreme leader of Iran. Although Mojtaba does not hold a highly visible public office, many analysts believe he plays an important role behind the scenes in Iran's political and security systems. The United States believes that he has influence over several key decisions involving the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, often known as the IRGC. The IRGC is considered one of the most powerful military organizations in Iran. Its role is not limited to defending the country. It also has major influence over Iran's regional strategy, foreign policy decisions, and military operations across the Middle East. But Mojtaba Khamenei is not the only person mentioned in this list. Another important name is Ali Asghar Hejazi. Asghar is known as a former deputy chief of staff to Iran's supreme leader and is believed to have been involved in important decisions related to Iran's intelligence and security apparatus for many years. The list also includes Ali Larijani, one of India's most senior and experienced political figures. Larijani previously served as the Speaker of Iran's parliament and has long been associated with major strategic and security policy decisions in the country. According to American officials, these individuals are connected to networks that play a significant role in the operations of the IRGC. Washington accuses the organization of not only managing Iran's defense activities, but also coordinating secret operations and strategic missions in several countries. In addition to these names, the US announcement also mentioned several other senior figures. One of them is Yahya Rahim Safavi, who serves as a senior military advisor to Iran's supreme leader. Safavi is often described as one of the key strategic minds behind Iran's military planning. He also previously served as the commander of the IRGC. Two more officials included in the list are Eskandar Momini, Iran's current interior minister, and Ismail Khatib, the country's intelligence minister. According to the United States, both are connected to security and intelligence network linked to IRGC activities. Interestingly, the American banner also referred to several powerful positions with Iran's system without revealing the names of the people holding them. These positions include the Secretary of Iran's Supreme Defense Council, the head of the Supreme Leader's military office, the Commander-in-Chief of the IRGC, and a senior advisor to the supreme leader. American agencies believe that the individuals occupying these posts play a central role in shaping Iran's military and security policies. That is why gathering information about them and their networks has become a major priority. The United States claim that these officials help direct different branches of the IRGC and oversees its operations. According to U.S. intelligence agencies, the IRGC has been involved in planning, supporting and executing operations in different parts of the world. For this reason, Washington has maintained a tough stance against the organization for years. Activating the Rewards for Justice program is a part of that strategy. This program, run by the U.S. State Department, is designed to collect information about individuals or networks that the United States considers threats to its national security. In many international cases in the past, people who provided valuable intelligence through this program have received financial rewards. Now, the United States has also clarified that anyone with information about these officials or senior IRGC commanders can contact authorities through secure channels. These channels include encrypted messaging platforms and communication systems operating through the Tor network, ensuring that the identity of informants remains protected. If the information provided turns out to be useful and helps U.S. agencies reach the network or its members, the informant could receive the full reward of up to $10 million. However, analysts believe that this move is not only about gathering intelligence. They say it is also a political and psychological pressure tactic. By publicly announcing such a reward, Washington is placing Iran's leadership and security network under intense international scrutiny. At the time, this decision is likely to increase tensions between the United States and Iran even further. The Middle East is already a region filled with complex conflicts, strategic rivalries, and geopolitical competitions. In such a fragile environment, any new step taken by major powers can have far-reaching consequences. For now, one thing is certain: the boundary placed on Mujtaba Khamenei and other senior Iranian officials is not just a simple democratic or diplomatic announcement. It is another sign of the long-running geopolitical confrontation between the United States and Iran. And that confrontation could become even more intense in the months ahead.